You told the AI something important. It understood. And then it forgot. That feels broken. But it isn't. Let's investigate. Because this happens by design. And it surprises everyone. So why does AI forget important details? Let's start with a mistake humans make. Humans remember what matters. We assume AI should too. That assumption is wrong. AI doesn't decide importance. It only sees position. And position is limited. AI works inside a context window. Every word takes space. That space is finite. When it fills, something must go. And AI doesn't know what's important. Only what's newest survives. This is the part people miss. Important to you means nothing to the system. Only position matters. That's it. Now the trade-off. More memory costs more. And slows responses. Forgetting is intentional. Not a bug. A design choice. That's why it feels personal. But it isn't. It's mechanical. The interface lies. On purpose. So here's the truth. AI forgets correctly. Because it was never remembering. Once you see this, the confusion disappears.